Hi, welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. This is our 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. This is a boat we just got in a few days ago. It's got the nice navy blue and gray color scheme. White Mercury 350 horsepower Verado. Really sharp looking boat. Up inside the boat now, and as you can see, it's got the gray interior and also a gray sea deck throughout. The sea deck is able to be taken out if you don't want it in. It snaps down. Tremendous layout on this boat. Tons of room. Great use of space. The digital dash with navigation, engine data, depth, high-end fit and finish. Nice boarding ladder here and a freshwater washdown. So inside the head here you do have a sink. The head's a pump out, plenty of room. Great storage underneath all the seats. And a ton of storage in the back here. So if you want to see this boat in person or would like more information, please visit us at MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.